If you look at here, in real time, okay, just a minute, let me check. We have a recording of DNS. I need to explain both the things, DNS and this customer file. Wait for a minute. So, custom implement one, okay, no DNS. Yes. So first, guys, let us create a DNS job. DNS is nothing but, guys, domain name service. Actually, we can assign whenever you purchase a domain from anywhere in the world. It could be from cloud, it could be from GoDaddy or crazy domains. You will be having a DNS address. For example, I can purchase a domain from cloud as well, guys. Look at here, look for app service domains. Click create. Select a resource. Then give a URL. For example, 𝐿WPLABS. This domain is that. If you click the button review create, what will happen? $11.99 will be deducted from your account. Don't do that. If you create it, it will be deducted from your account, from your main balance, not from the free given balance. So don't create it now. But guys, this is how we create or purchase domain from cloud. In the same way, you can purchase the same domain from GoDaddy as well. If you look at here, type search for 𝐿WPLABS.com. Search domain. It is available for just ₹1. I can purchase this for just a ₹1, 𝐿WPLABS.com, for ₹1. That is it. So you can, in real time, guys, the client may purchase it or they may ask you to purchase one. So you will be purchasing. For example, if you have purchased it from your cloud, then what you need to do, you have to create a DNS job. What is that? You simply create that. Give a name, DNS zone sample, review create. Sorry, we should have URL. Review create. Create. That. Now what we need to do, you simply look for record select and just add a record. Type just www and add any record. A record is nothing but just here. You just type the IP of anything else, VM, app service, anything. You just add it. If you add it, guys, you can see I have added 10, 20, 30, 40 for this particular URL. You open CMD and just type ns lookup google.co.in. If you look at here, I can see one IP. That means this particular application may be deployed to this IP. It could be a container instance, a VM, an app service. We don't know so which service which we have deployed, but we know this particular application is there in this particular IP. Now what do we do? Now let us type ns lookup. When you type this, you can say non-existence domain. That means there is no domain purchased with this particular URL. Now let me do one thing. I'll type ns www.𝐿WPLABS.com/ just use one of these names. Press enter. If you look at here, guys, if I provide the name server, it is giving me the IP address. But if I don't provide the name server, it is telling me it is a non-existent domain. The reason, guys, if you have actually purchased it from anywhere, then it would have been copied to one of the name servers available in the internet. But you haven't purchased it anywhere, so you will get an existing, it's a non-existent domain. But here, when you have given the name server, it will only look in the name server. And because this address is associated with this IP in this name server, then yeah, we can say, yeah, that's the reason it is giving the IP address. That doesn't mean the application is deployed to this particular IP address. Now, actually, guys, how you will assign? We simply go to any app service, guys. Select it. What you can do? I want to assign a domain name for this particular website. How will I do that? Very easy. Go and look for custom domains. And here, guys, you can see this is inactive, the reason. Currently we are using free app service, guys. It's free app service. When it is free app service, guys, you can't add any custom domain for it. So we have to scale it up. Scale up. At least to shade even, guys. I'm scaling it up. Update. After you scale it up, guys, now go to custom domains. Now you can see there is an add custom domain option is there. You just click that. And here, if the domain is purchased from the cloud, then you will select this, guys. Otherwise, select this all other domain services. Then what you need to do? You just, okay, you said you might have purchased this domain from GoDaddy. Then you said just copy the URL. Then what will it do? Cloud will give us these two details. Now, to prove or validate your ownership, domain ownership, what we all need to do? You copy these two records and paste it in the place where you purchased it. For example, you might have purchased it from GoDaddy or Place Domain. Log into those websites and open the DNS settings of this domain which you have purchased there and add these two records. After you successfully add it, you simply validate. If you have already added these two guys, then you will get validation successful. Then you click the button add. Now what will happen, guys? If any person look for this 𝐿WPLABS.com, they will be redirected to this IP address. What is that IP address? That IP address is nothing but our app service IP address. So if someone in the world, if they type www.venkatkorupalli.com, they will be seeing this play badminton FE web portal. This is how you will assign a domain name to an app service. But that is not enough. If you only add your domain name here in the custom domains, the URL which will come like this only, guys. This is wrong. The reason it won't give us as secured HTTP, it will only give us normal HTTP. On normal HTTP, guys, if you try to open any website, it does give us a warning saying, yeah, it's a malicious site. You don't perform any monitoring things on this website. So those types of warning messages will be shown to us. That's the reason what we need to do. After you assign the custom domain, go and click this certificate. Then, guys, okay, to click that, you have to at least, you need to scale up this. At least basic version should be there. Let me scale up to B1. Basic B1. Now go and find certificates. Here, guys, if you have already purchased it from you have already configured it in the cloud custom domain, guys. All configured domains will come here. You select one, validate, add that is it, guys. And this will cost us nearly $6 to purchase a certificate from this cloud, Azure cloud. Or you can purchase it from anywhere, guys, and you can simply add the certificate. You can purchase it from GoDaddy, Place Domain, and you just upload the certificate to this particular website. That also will work. So, guys, whenever a client is asked us to assign any website to any custom URL to a website, you have to follow this procedure. Remember two things. If you're doing it in the cloud, you purchase it from the cloud, you can directly assign through DNS zone, or you can simply assign the values here. If you purchase the domain name from GoDaddy or Place Domains, you simply get those A record, TX records from the cloud and update them in the GoDaddy's DNS settings of that portal. And if you do that, guys, what will happen? Your domain name ownership will be validated, and that can be added here, guys. As simple as. So, guys, you all know I have already explained all these things. I have taken 1 hour to explain all this. The same thing is which we have done in 15 to 20 minutes. The same thing has been explained in detail with the actual recording, actual class, guys. But I think this is enough, I think, because we have already seen it a lot of, you might have already created one. Very simple, guys. You only need to upgrade the plan, then simply custom domain. Yeah, you just simply add a custom domain. If it is from Azure App Service domain, simply select it, select that, validate add, that will be added, or else any other domain, select it, enter the domain name, then you will get simple. You will get an A record and TX record. You just copy these two things where you have purchased this particular domain. That is that easy. And after you have done it, what you need to do, you have to go to the certificates and you need to add the certificate, guys. You have to add the certificate. Very simple, guys. There will be URL which is already you purchased and kept it in the custom domain. Select the URL, validate that is it. Certificate will be charged, and that will cost us $6. Guys. So this is all about your assigning custom domains to the API, to the app services. Meanwhile, let me scale down this. Let me scale it down. Free download. Just a minute. Don't forget to scale them down again, guys, because otherwise, yeah, it will charge us. Yeah, currently this okay, that is it, guys. Just nice. Okay, that is it. Let us all meet in the next class, guys. Bye, guys.
Welcome to LWP Labs. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to view free Azure DevOps live classes. And for more videos like this, please contact the number shown in the description. Happy learning!